Hey, welcome back to DieCash Cars on this glorious Easter Sunday, and today we got a special episode. I got a little mail call from a fellow YouTuber, Mr. BullitTonyCustoms. He had reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and said he was inspired by one of the short clips I did on my DIY pocket ride, this fantasy cast clip rod, where basically showed you guys what I do with this and where I keep all the Benjamins, right? Because this is part of the Expert Motors line, and it's got this little clip here, hence the name clip rod, where you can put all your cash in. So this is, again, one of my all-time favorite fantasy casts, just because it really portrays everything we talk about on this channel, DieCash Cars, all thing diecast investing and how to navigate the secondary market. But must have struck a chord in Mr. Bullet Tony. He said he wanted to do some custom pieces of the clip rod, and well, got the box in today. So again, thank you very much, Bullet Tony. I'm sure they're gonna look amazing, and if you're not already, go over there and subscribe to Bullet Tony Customs. He is honestly one of the few diecast YouTube channels that I watch pretty regularly. He's got a lot of great content. He's a down-to-earth guy, and I mean, he's got a lot of cool stuff to show and review. I mean, super genuine guy. But right off the bat, I mean, I'm seeing a Bullet Tony Custom sticker. Man, that thing looks cool. I'm gonna have to find a cool spot to put that. Oh, there's actually two of them, so that's pretty slick. There's a little note here, but it says just for fun, a little project that he couldn't resist, just having a go at it. And take care, Bullet Tony Customs. And man, I can't wait. Oh geez, look at that. Look at the presentation. These little acrylic boxes here, and he's got them all super protected out. But man, immediately I love that wheel choice. Kind of gives me a Monopoly vibe, right? Let's get this bad boy opened up here. And man, look at that. Custom number 1. So the really cool thing about this casting is that it's already got a metal base and metal body parts. And then what Mr. Bullet Tony did, he painted the engine bay. I mean, just look at that detail. Very subtle and really accents the car well. It's kind of got like a glitter metallic dark green paint to the body and the base there, which just looks super awesome. And man, look at this little custom $100 bill as well too. We'll slide that back onto the clip. Wow, looks great. And it does roll as well too, so it's not a static model or anything like that. Fully riveted back there. So again, I've watched Bullet Tony for quite some time now. The man's got talent, so if you guys are ever in need of any customs, I'm sure he would be obliged to help you guys out with whatever you guys are thinking of in your mind. But that's custom number 1, and man, I'm seeing some cool stuff on this custom here. But custom number 2, let's get this one cracked open here. Oh, this one looks sweet. I love these dark 5-spoke wheels here, and he's got staggered fitment, big ones on the back, crazy meat on that, and then skinnies in the front. Well, this one, I feel like it's got an extra $100 bill there, so that's pretty cool. But again, a lot of the same detailed engine and body there. Got that same metallic green paint there, but this one looks really good. If I can get both of these customs in a shot here, you guys can see, again, just the attention to detail that my brother Bullet Tony put on these cars. I mean, they just look great. And in comparison to just the regular one, which just fails in comparison now, right? Well, actually, you know what? I recall Bullet Tony actually telling me that he was going to send me 2. He wanted me to keep one and just have one as a giveaway. So building off of the generosity of Bullet Tony, one of these will be randomly sent to one of the viewers. In the comments, all you got to do is write Bullet Tony. And also jump over to his page, give him a like and subscribe. Check out some of his videos, check out some of his reviews and his custom content. I mean, it's all gold. Man, I just can't get over these customs here, man. They just look so sharp. Yeah, and Honestly, I had plans to do some custom work. That's why I have one of these clip rods. Just the regular mainline one in loose form, because I've been trying to find some time to just unrivet it, custom paint it, do a little simple wheel swap, but I've just been busy / lazy, so have not gotten to it. But Bullet Tony beat me to it, and in all honesty, he did a lot better of a job than I did. I guess, Tony, the one thing I will have to give you a little constructive criticism on these is that, well, I kind of hoped you would have used real $100 bills here. I mean, these pretend ones, they look cool, but, can't be buying Hot Wheels with this, you know what I mean? But no, all jokes aside, these are some awesome customs here. So, again, if you want one of these Bullet Tony custom clip rods, just comment down in the comments below, Bullet Tony. I will do a random giveaway and send one of these out to you guys, just spreading that generosity. I can't thank you enough, Bullet Tony. You know what? I have the perfect place to put the clip rod that I'm gonna keep. It's gonna go right next to my Jakarta DieCash Custom Drag Supra. They're gonna be displayed right on the wall, right next together. But that's what I got for you guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on Diecashcars.